Hello and welcome to the unboxing of Xiaomi Mi Little Adhesive hooks. These hooks are available on AliExpress and various other sellers for around $7 to $10. And as you can see, they come in a package of 6 pieces, which should be enough for any bathroom. Standard Xiaomi white box, as you'd expect. Even though this is branded as a HL, it's probably a brand that's cooperating with Xiaomi. But they have pretty nice design nonetheless. So let's open the box and see how they look like. So here they are, neatly arranged. And there is another thing in a box. It's just a piece of cloth with alcohol so you can clean the area where you're going to glue them so they would stick better. So there's HL on them. I think it's the same manufacturer as for the bathroom set with 5 pieces that I reviewed recently. So let's see what they look like when they're installed. I just glued them in my bathroom and they look pretty nice. So let's see what it looks like. Here they are. Okay, thank you for watching. If you like my channel, please subscribe and see you next time with another Xiaomi product.